Okay, hello. We are gonna check the status of this T30 charger. The customer explained us that when we connect the cable to the upper power station module, it's gonna start to run the fan and doesn't charge. This is without to turn on the charger. For that, we want to show you the serial number, and we're gonna start to connect. As you can see, when I turn on the charger, the fan is gonna start to work. Okay, we are gonna to check the lower one. We connect. As you can see, the charger is turned off. Turn on. As you can see, the charger works normally. We can hear the fan works with the standard power. That is all.